So you'll want to start here for your trial credit. Wait, DMB. This is the DUNS number. Learn, register, small, manage my business credit profile. So this is what you need to get used to doing, is managing your business credit profile. Okay. Build and monitor your company and your business credit file. Okay. So we'll do that, but I need a volunteer. So let's go on to the second half of this. Okay, so that's the numero uno thing that we need to do. You have all the information that we need to do that. And then we need to open a credit line. Okay, so that's one step. And my affiliate partner, Burst Biz, they are credit consultants. Okay. And they are like the small business solution for company formation. So if you didn't want one of me to walk you through the business setup process, sometimes I refer people if they don't have time or don't want to log in twice a week to go here, and they can get their EIN number done for $299. They can get their company formation for $350 for the state. They can get their operating agreement for $750. They can get their business plan for $995. But there's a one-time fee, so it actually ends up being more than my program costs. Anyway, and you don't get the step-by-step guidance. But the thing that this also does is opens a credit line. So if people can't afford the program usually, I can say, well, you can do the do-it-yourself version, okay, and pay the startup fee and, you know, kind of self-coach you through it. But that's when all the stumbling blocks happen. But there is somebody, a customer service rep from here, that helps through emails how to fill stuff out, but it's not as easy. And then you can put it on your line of credit. So what they do is they take, for like you guys, I would say, okay, you need to go to Burst Biz and do an online listing for your business, because this is the only thing you guys need. You have everything else. They can't sell you anything else on here. But this $249 would open a credit line for you. So they would put this on credit and report it to Equifax and the other major reporting, and give you like a $10,000, a $5,000, or a $2,000, or however much credit line, or maybe just $250. So it pings your credit report and says you have a line of credit. So then now you have a credit score, okay? Because until somebody will give you credit, you won't be able to get any more credit. You'll have to be a personal guarantor, and you'll have to always be using your personal credit for your business credit. And so this process would also get you in 90 local business listings, get your business found online, increase your chances of easy approvals, and separate yourself from your competition, because really this is also an online listing. So you do get the actual product, but really the whole point of this exercise is to get you a credit line. Okay. And so let's say you want to purchase that now, then it would take you to a form where you'd fill it out, and then the business survey. Okay, so what they need is your email, your business name, all the business information, your state registration ID, your date of formation, business phone number, nature of business, owner phone number, what type of business you are, organization and business type, and then you submit. Okay. Then they call you back. You get this consultant from Burst Biz who calls you and talks to you about the maximum amount of the program, and they kind of coach you through the rest of the credit building part. This is just a lead from me to say this helps. And it's a way to build a credit line. Okay. Another way is, registering for American Express.
My bad.
American Express. And right now you can get like 25,000 points if you get this corporate. So you'd want to get a business card or a corporate green card. So let's under a business card.
Can I ask a quick?
Yeah.
Okay, so the steps that you've just outlined, so Dun and Bradstreet, that Biz, and then American Express, are those like is the Dun and Bradstreet first to allow the other ones to like follow and flow through easier?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So Dun and Bradstreet first, and it's free to register your Duns number, log in. And it's also the number that you will need. You need a Duns number to get the line of credit to register on your credit line. So you have to have the Duns to do the Burst Biz credit line. And American Express may not approve you if you don't have a Duns number, because they look on Equifax and Duns. So Duns first, and then either or both. I would go Duns, Burst Biz, American Express, but you can do Duns, American Express, but it may not get approved. So, it's a roll of the dice, just like applying for any credit card. But you will have a Duns number, and that could take maybe 3 weeks to a month, because they just reported, what is it, the 7th, they think they report. So, 3 weeks for them to report the Duns to kind of process through. But this business green reward right here is the best one to start, but it's a charge card. So you would only want to put like some business expenses that you can pay off in 30 days. This is this to establish business credit. They report on this, but this isn't like a carry your balance card. If you wanted a charge card, because now that you have your EIN number, you can try. Like, there's no reason why you wouldn't. They're like really actually got a lot of opportunities right now for new businesses. So KeyBank business is one of the easier ones as well. So Duns number, and then like pick one credit card. This is a cash card. And then when you guys are ready to buy that food cart, or when you're ready to buy that, you need $5,000 in marketing spend to market your funnels and your web pages, or you need product and inventory, or you need equipment, or you need to hire some people, you will be able to get a $5,000 or $10,000 line of credit at probably a sooner point, within 3 maybe to 6 months. You would be able to do that. Maybe they would give you a $10,000 credit card right now at KeyBank. I can't tell you that for sure, but I know that these things will help you get business credit like 10 times faster than not doing it at all. So also I have a, this is a new, what do you call it? Like a new option that I'm integrating into my program, where if people are, having trouble coming up with the cash flow, they can apply for a line of credit, and I will carry it, and then I will report it to Equifax, and it will be a credit monitoring. So if you know anyone who would benefit from this program but may not have the money up front, then they can apply to put it on credit. And then it will also register them as a credit paying business. So it's kind of like a credit card from me. I carry the balance, we register the amount. We can make it anywhere from 5 to 10,000. We could put, oh, you have 11,500 here, and it shows that your utilization rate is lower, but that helps you build a higher credit score. But here we still need the DUNS number and all that info. So, any questions?
So you'd say big banks over credit unions for business, right?
They're what?
Big banks over credit unions for business? I think I've heard that.
Oh, for credit cards, yeah. Credit unions are tough to get a credit card. They're a little, because it's member owned, kind of. I don't know, just more of the corporate banks for credit cards. I mean, for banking, actually, it's cheaper to go through the credit union if you're doing business banking. Transaction fees and things like that is less expensive. But if you're going to get a line of credit or a credit card, the process is a lot easier through like US Bank, Key Bank, Chase, Wells Fargo. Yeah.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. But for the buzz in the marketplace is that Key Bank is the easiest to get a business credit card. All right.